So just a bit of an update. It wasn't the all metal hot end. I replaced it with a traditional hot end. Then I got a temperature can't be found warning, so logically it was the thermistor. So I've been threading that back down all the way from the head here, blue wire on the left, all the way through the flexi cable round to the back. Here's the old cable. I'm just going to take a photo of how that's wired. Red on the right, white on the left. This part on the flash forward logic board. Here's the new cable, or the new thermistor, and I'll just wire that in. Then I think it will be problem solved. But you know, it's always one of 90 possibilities. Luckily I only got to number 3. So here we are again with the power back on, no warnings yet. Let's just go and load some filament. Yeah, well, that's better. No warnings at all. So we'll be back in a minute. There we go, filament coming out. No heat warnings. On to bed leveling now that I've adjusted the whole nozzle assembly yet again, and then hopefully back in business. So we'll do a long print and see if the thermal creep, which I think was the main issue due to the thermistor not reporting the temperatures properly, and after a bit of a run the whole thing started to overheat and jam in the nozzle and head unit.